C-guard inspection. I'm going to check my clearance lights, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Proper color of amber and clean. Header board, properly mounted, secured. No cracks, holes, or bulges. All rivets are in place. Side condition, properly mounted, secured. No cracks, holes, or bulges. All rivets are in place. Top and bottom rail, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All rivets are in place. My DOT tape is properly mounted, secured, 50% legible. Cross members, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. My floor is properly mounted, secured, no cracks or holes. All nuts and bolts are present. Can support the weight of the load and forklift. My landing gear support frame, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Landing gear pads, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present in the fully raised position. Landing gear handle is properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present in the stored position. Marker lights, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Proper color of amber and clean. Airline spring hanger, properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Airlines are properly mounted, secured, no abrasion, bumps, or cuts. Does not leak, at least 18 inches off the ground. Sliding tandem. Sliding tandem is properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present, held in place by 4 locking pins, 2 on either side, fully extended. My release handle. Release handle is properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken in the fully locked position. My trailer frame, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present, not damaged. My spring right trailer is the leaf spring mounts, properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Leaf spring, properly mounted, secured to the axle by 2 U-bolts, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. No signs of shifting. Torque bar is properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. For air ride, my control arm is properly mounted, secured to the axle by 2 U-bolts, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Airbags properly mounted, secured, no abrasion, bumps, cuts, or bulges. Does not leak. Hoses to airbags properly mounted, secured, no abrasion, bumps, or cuts. Does not leak. Shock absorbers properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Does not leak. Brake chamber properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Does not leak. Hoses to brake chamber properly mounted, secured, no abrasion, bumps, or cuts. Does not leak. My slack adjuster and push rod properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. To check, I would chock the wheels, release the brakes. Should not be more than 1 inch play when pulled by hand. My brake drums properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Not severely worn. No grease, oil, or debris. Brake pads properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. At least 1/4 inch of pad life. No grease, oil, or debris. My rims are properly mounted and secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. No illegal welds. Sidewall of tires properly beaded to the rim. No abrasion, bumps, cuts, or bulges. Does not leak. Tire tread even wear, same size on both sides. Can be recapped or retread. At least 2 30-seconds of tread. Does not leak. Bud spacing no more than 3 inches between the tires. No daylight between rims. No debris. Lug nuts properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. None are missing. No shiny spots or rust trails, which would indicate being loose. My hub seal properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Does not leak. To check, use sight glass. Valve stem inner and outer properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Valve cap in place. Does not leak. To check, I use a tire gauge. Should be 100 psi or manufacturer spec. Mud flaps properly mounted and secured. All nuts and bolts are present, not ripped or torn. No more than 8 inches off the ground. My marker lights properly mounted, secured, All nuts and bolts are not cracked, bent, or broken. Proper color red and clean. Door hinges properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present. Door opens and closes. Door seal properly mounted, secured, not cut or dry rotted. Locking bars, handles, and latches properly mounted, secure, not cracked, bent, or broken. All nuts and bolts are present in the locked position. DOT tape properly mounted, secured, 100% legible. Marker or clearance lamps properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Proper color red and clean. Turn signals, four-way brake, flashers, and brake lights properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Proper color red and clean. License plate light properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. Proper color of clear or white and clean. I would inspect the other side of the truck in the same way. End of C cart.